Okay, so we are wood staining the crates, a special walnut for Julai's desk that we're making. And then we'll show you the final results at the end. It's this one, our favorite one we like to use. We use this one also for our blanket throw ladder. Alrighty. Okay, so these are the crates that we have wood stained already for Julai's table. Her daddy has drilled them, and he used a babe. What's the inch of it? How do I say it?
Should be 1 1/4.
Yeah, so he's used a 1 1/4 inch screw to complete it in there, and then his 4. You can do shorter.
Kind of stick.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you may want to go shorter then. It's okay though. You won't see that part. So they originally looked like this. You know how the crates look like that. So then we would stain them with our favorite wood stain, special walnut. And then right now we took a 2x8. Nope, it's a 2x6. Yeah, we took a 2x6, which the ones that I used for my welcome sign, and then I wood stained the base of it the same exact color. And then now I'm going to create a geometrical effect with it with 3 colors to blend with her room. Okay, so it is fully dry. And then I'm going to peel the tape off to reveal the look of it. And that's the final look of her top of her desk, y'all. Final look. Alright, and then her daddy's going to cut each one, because this is a 6-foot board, like I mentioned to you guys at first. And then he's going to cut it in half and then piece it side by side. Other piece, I'm about to piece it.